My pumpkin looks like a wonky eye.
Hey Princess Squad, it's T
And Sprinkles, and today we're painting pumpkins.
but 3 marker challenge style. Not with markers, of course, with a whole bunch of paint. We're gonna put the paint in this bucket and pick out 3 colors each, and we'll be painting the pumpkins with those 3 colors.
Now to put the paint in the buckets.
All right, let's pick out 3 colors each. Ready, set, go. Closing our eyes.
Ah, that's my hand!
Sorry.
Okay, I
Pick another color.
Okay.
So I have red, purple, and blue for the first pumpkin.
I have pink, green, and the one we bought for orange.
How did you get the perfect color? Oh my, like, how, this is not Halloween at all.
All right, I'm gonna put my paint in. Here's my orange, perfect for my pumpkin. Pink and green. All right, let's go with purple. I don't know how blue is related to Halloween. And red, I guess I could use it for Halloween, maybe like blood. So we have 5 minutes to complete our pumpkin, and let's start. I don't know how I got orange right here, but I'm just gonna use it.
I'm just gonna paint mine. This pastel purple is just so pretty, you guys. I am in love. I feel like it needs like a new coat.
But how is that
A couple
Halloween
coats.
color?
It's pastel Halloween. It's in right now, okay? To do pastel Halloween, girl.
Oh man.
It's everywhere. I see pastel Halloween colors, so this is like the trendy pumpkin over here, you know?
Hey, I can make mine trendy too.
Yeah, yours is totally Halloween color. I gotta improvise over here.
All right, so my game plan is to paint everything orange on this pumpkin.
This pretty purple, going to just put a whole bunch on my pumpkin and cover it with this pastel purple. Oh no, I got it on my nail. Gotta make sure to clean that off. Oh, how did I get red? Oh my goodness, this is not looking good for me to start with, you guys.
Okay, I decided I want a Frankenstein pumpkin. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but let's just give him some eyebrows for now. And we'll go from there.
Okay, my pumpkin is now all purple. Gotta use my blue. Don't know how I'm going to make this Halloween related. And I think I'm just gonna draw like a ghost. I don't know. Maybe like a little Pac-Man looking ghost. So we're just gonna make that and then like 3 things. And I'm just gonna color it in. And I feel like we need multiple layers, but we'll start with that. All right, it looks like we have about 3 minutes and 27 seconds left.
I only have crooked eyebrows so far.
You better hurry. I'm just painting a whole bunch of ghosts on this pumpkin, as many as I can. Okay, I'm gonna spend 1 minute to paint a bunch of, I can't talk. I'm gonna spend 1 minute to paint a bunch of ghosts, as many as I can.
Oh my gosh, my pumpkin looks like a wonky eye. My pumpkin got crooked eyes and crooked eyebrows.
Oh no. Oh my goodness, only 1 minute and 46 seconds left. Let's paint a face on my ghosts.
We're gonna do the eyes. I guess she'll get pink eyes. I don't know. Ah, pink eye.
We have less than 1 minute left.
Oh my gosh! Why do you have to tell me? Okay, I guess you can get a bow right here. I don't know. I'm just gonna draw something like this. Paint it in real quick. Oh my gosh, 1 minute. What am I gonna do myself? Get me some crusty teeth, crusty teeth.
All right, I'm gonna use red for the blood.
All right. Oh my gosh, you need to hurry up. We have less than 1 minute. Oh my goodness, we have 13 seconds.
I gotta hurry, gotta add more red to this stem. And I'm trying to make it like messy blood, but my OCD is making it neat. For
That
some
is
reason.
neat. Oh my god.
I'm trying to
3,
like splatter.
2, 1. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! She cheated.
No, it was up. This is our completed look. Do you like T's ghost pumpkin with blood on it, or
Do you like my Frankette pumpkin? Sprinkles.
oh, Frank it, how cute, but mine's cuter.
No, yours is more like a splattered tomato.
No, it doesn't. It's
Yes,
so
it
cute.
does.
Y'all let us know which one you like better for this 3 paint challenge on our pumpkin. Let us know what other videos y'all would like us to see. And also remember to follow us on our social media at
PrincessSquad.Official.
on TikTok and Instagram. And always remember to dream big.
Have fun.
and be kind.
Bye!